welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to poojovlogs season 2 episode 5. Now today I am going to be filming yet another makeup tutorial. I know I had promised that I'll do only 3, but indeed I am doing 4 of those, but we'll not talk about that. So as you can see by my look, I am doing a very bulbul inspired, a very Agomoni sort of look. I know Mahalaya went like long time back, but I really wanted to do something, fun and Agomoni something, and I have not really done something like this ever. So this is my first time creating something of that sort. So I really hope that you guys enjoy it. So without blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. So I'm gonna start off with this Pond's Light Moisturizer, and I'm dotting it on my face with the help of my fingers, and I'm in with my fingers as well. This is a very recent favorite of mine. It sits very well into my skin and gives me a very nice healthy looking skin. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Kohl pencil in the shade Mink Brown, and I'm filling in my brows and creating a slight tail at the end, and I'm going to be brushing it up, down and sideways, blending the color together. Next, I'm carving out my eyebrows with the help of some concealer. You can skip this step, it's totally optional. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild's Rosé in the Air palette and taking the orange shade and placing it in my crease. I'm going to intensify this orange shade with the help of another brown shade from the same palette. Next, I'm taking a golden shimmer shade and applying it on my lid, finishing the entire look. And this is how my eye makeup has turned out, you guys, as you can see. Next, I'm going to be taking this serum from Jovi's and applying it as a primer. This is basically my primer substitute, and I am blending this serum well with my fingers. Next, I'm taking my favorite Fit Me foundation and a little bit of the liquid illuminator and mixing both of them on the back of my hand. The liquid illuminator gives me a very nice healthy festive glow, and apply it with the help of brush so that it gives me the full coverage. Next, I'm applying a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and this is a new trick that I have learned which helps in lifting up my facial features. Next, I'm taking a little bit of translucent powder and baking the places where I had concealed. Next, I'm taking my face palette and contouring my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose and my jawline. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild's Comfort Zone palette and taking both the highlighty shades. I'm highlighting the highest points of my face. Finally, I'm taking a little bit of blush and adding a flush of color to the apples of my cheeks. Next, I'm taking my favorite liner from Lakme and drawing a sharp little wing. And finally, to tie the entire look together, I am applying a red lipstick. This is how my final look has turned out, you guys. And I drew a third eye just to replicate Goddess Durga. And this is how I look. So guys, if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this look, let me know in the comments, and I'll come back with the next episode of poojovlogs. Till then, stay tuned. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay home. Bye. These are not.
Dude, you didn't get them from Tanish.
I was gonna say that, woman.
So why are you showing that bag in front of the camera?
Oh my god. For some reason. But
because it's Ayurvedic, dude.